Canon 17. A lawyer owes fidelity to the cause of his client, and he shall be mindful of the trust and confidence reposed in him. General rule: lawyer must act as advisor or advocate for the client. The client is entitled to the benefit of any and every remedy and defense that is authorized by the law of the land, and he may expect his lawyer to assert every remedy or defense. The court, as guardian of the legal profession, also expects a lawyer to employ all the energies at his command. Exception: when lawyer declines employment, subject to the provisions of Canon 14. Note: personal abuse, fear of judicial disfavor, or public unpopularity are not grounds for exception. Purpose: to protect public interest, to serve the ends of justice, to do honor to the bar, and help maintain the respect of the community to the legal profession. Effects, if neglected, will cause delay in the administration of justice, prejudice the rights of the litigants. Case: Pitcher vs. Gagate. Question: in order to settle the affairs of her deceased husband, Pitcher engaged the services of attorney Gagate. Pitcher and attorney Gagate met with Bantigi, a major stockholder of Consulting Edge, to discuss the settlement of her husband's interest in the company. Prior to the scheduled meeting, Pitcher was prevailed upon by attorney Gagate to put a paper seal on the door of the premises. Bantigi expressed disappointment over these actions, then asked them to leave and refused to give them a duplicate key. Attorney Gagate, without the consent of Bantigi, caused the change in the lock of the Consulting Edge office door, which prevented the employees thereof from entering and carrying on the operations of the company. Bantigi filed a complaint for grave coercion. The prosecutor's office issued a resolution finding probable cause to charge Pitcher and attorney Gagate. Attorney Gagate advised Pitcher to go into hiding until he had filed the motion against Bantigi in court. However, attorney Gagate abandoned the grave coercion case and stopped communicating with Pitcher. Is he guilty of violating the CPR? Answer: yes. Attorney Gagate violated Canon 17 when he failed to exercise the required diligence in handling Pitcher's cause. He failed to represent her competently and diligently by acting and proffering professional advice beyond the proper bounds of law. He abandoned his client's cause while the grave coercion case against them was pending. He remained unmindful of his client's trust in him, in particular her trust that attorney Gagate would only provide her with the proper legal advice in pursuing her interests. Attorney Gagate also grossly and inexcusably neglected his client, leaving Pitcher totally unrepresented in a criminal case. Attorney Gagate's act of advising Pitcher to go into hiding in order to evade arrest in the criminal case can hardly be maintained as proper legal advice, since the same constitutes transgression of the ordinary processes of law. Pitcher vs. Gagate, AC number 9532, October 8, 2013, Release, Bear B.